Hello lovelies, my name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am surrounded by gorgeous landscapes, mountains and vineyards, but right here in the port of Calpe, this beautiful coastal town which is in the region of the Marina Alta in the province of Alicante is where we'll be kicking off our shooting today. I'm really looking forward to this as it's a lovely apartment that gives you just these spectacular views. You have the Penon de Ifach, which Calpe is known for, and you also have the Mediterranean Sea on your doorstep, what with it being on the beachfront. This apartment is 80 square metres and offers 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Charming and yet sweet. I am going to kick off the tour. So you'll find that with this particular neighbourhood within Calpe, it's quiet, a great and established residential area and also rather safe. But this is also the street that leads to this urbanisation. What I have to say though is a lot of people find it quite tricky having an apartment that offers a parking space, but this apartment actually comes with a garage included. This would be your entry point and it leads to a very peaceful and quite traditional residence. So as you come in, this would be the main entrance for you to enter the building, and the apartment is on the 6th floor. As I come up the stairs, entering the building, it's nice and clean and well maintained, the communal zones. You have marble stone flooring as your stairwell, but you also have comfortable access to an elevator. This is the entry point of the home. So I'm going to go in through the front door, which is a robust security door. And as you enter, the marble stone flooring continues throughout. This home is quite traditional in its style, what with the carpentry and the wooden design throughout it. However, you will find that it needs a little touch of modernisation. But where I'm stood is the entry hall and also where all the rooms lead from. So I'm now going to take you to the very first room that we come to, which would be the first bedroom. This bedroom is 11 square metres and is lovely and inviting with its warm tones. It gives you, on one side, a large window with views of the surrounding area, and then you also have on the other side your fitted wardrobes. Now, as you actually find within this home, you'll find also, as you enter the home, there is an intercom system that can be comfortably used. And you also find that the entry hall connects all the rooms really comfortably. So the next room that I'm going to now take you to is the main bathroom. This bathroom is light and is fully equipped. Taking you out of the bathroom, I'm going along the hall some more, and I'm now taking you to the second bedroom. This bedroom is again light and bright, giving you views of where we are located on the first line and also beyond. You also have not just the large window, but a wall of integrated wardrobes. Again, this could be used as a bedroom or it could be used as an office space. It's up to you, giving you 13 square metres. Now, as you're coming out of that bedroom back into the hall, this home provides you with a separate kitchen in the centre of it all. It is small and cute, but you do still get great views of the local landscape through those windows overlooking your kitchen sink. And you'll find that it's fully equipped with your kitchen appliances and cabinetry. Also in this kitchen, you will also find that there is your washing machine, your dishwasher and your refrigerator.
Calpe is one of those surprising towns that has the peace and tranquility that you can expect, being quintessentially Spanish and coastal, but at the same time gives you really great, lovely hotspots within close proximity to where we just saw at the apartment. You can be in one of these specialty coffee hotspots, just like we are right now, somewhere like this place, which is called Cafe Seamos. I'm going to be trying my very first coffee with a little bit of coconut milk to see how that goes down. But what's really nice about a spot like this is you get to see what the local community has to offer. We're not in a month where it's high season, so I'm playing a little bit of Sherlock Holmes and seeing what kind of locals and residents are actually coming to a nice specialty coffee shop just like this one. But in the meantime, if you like coffee and you like hot toast, come and check it out.
So coming out of the kitchen space, I'm now going to take you into the main heart of the home. And this would be your open living and dining area. Altogether, the space is 23 square meters, and throughout the home, the ceiling height is 2.5 meters. Being well illuminated by natural light, this is a really inviting space, as you have a window on one side near the dining space, but you also have your living room that is integrated with your outdoor living terrace. But what I think is really the marvel of this apartment in real sense is that it is the location. And on this terrace as well, you can really enjoy that. The tranquility and the splendor of the gorgeous views that we're experiencing, especially throughout the year. You have wonderful Mediterranean climate, but overlooking this gorgeous La Lonja, which is also a place which is a fishing hub, being part of the port. You also have really great proximity to cafes and restaurants, bars and points of interest, literally just a few steps away. I can't believe it. It's so peaceful and tranquil, and yet I feel like I'm still right in the middle of it all.
Steeped in an ancient civilization that goes back more than centuries that we can imagine at least. And also, you would not necessarily think it, but this is actually a very popular tourist destination and has been in the Costa Blanca for many years. What's lovely about Calpe is that it offers 12 kilometres of coastline, nestled within it, beautiful beaches as well as coves that you can explore, all within a beautiful setting. And on this particular beach, Capoeiroi, you get to see the Penon de Ifach, and also you get to see other beautiful formations within the actual sea itself. So come on, come and have a look and enjoy the splendour of the natural landscapes that we have in this town. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, has to be confirmed at a later date. However, the refuse is €180 per year. You will also find that this is an apartment that does have some modern specifications included. So you do have double-glazed windows, you also have shutters for all of your windows, and you have a kitchen that gives you kitchen appliances and white goods. As you can see, it needs a little touch of modernisation, but there's no denying, with a little bit of love and care, this could be a fantastic apartment, offering not just the possibility of a second home or a holiday home, but also giving you lots of potential if you're thinking of investing in a fantastic location like this and actually having it as a rental. So think about that. Anyway, all of the information you'll find, as usual, on a description in our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like this, and also I will see you again next time. Hasta pronto!